I'm going to show you how I make just under $5,000 each and every single week with the simplest way to make money online. Now, this isn't some get-rich-quick scheme. This is a legitimate business model that I have used to generate just under $3 million online since 2013. And the best part is that you can do this too, even if you're a busy parent with limited time. Now, I've been doing this for well over a decade now and have built multiple successful businesses while being fully present, well, most of the time, for my wife and family. I don't have to choose between making money and spending time with my family, and you shouldn't have to either. And now the beauty of this system is that once you set it up, it works round the clock for you day and night. So what exactly is this business model? It's all about turning the knowledge that you already have into simple digital products that sell themselves. There's no physical inventory, there's no customer service headaches. It's just your skills, your experience and your knowledge packaged into something that other people are willing to pay you money for. So here's exactly what we're going to cover in this video today. What digital products are and why they are the simplest way to make money online. The exact system I use to make money passively. How to create your first digital product even if you're not tech savvy. How to build an audience that actually wants to buy from you. And how to automate everything so you can actually make money while you sleep. And by the end of this video, you'll have a clear roadmap of how you can build a business that can generate you thousands every single week while giving you the freedom to live your life on your terms. So let's start at the very beginning. What exactly are digital products? And more importantly, why are they the simplest way that you can make money online? Digital products are simply information, tools or resources that someone can download from the internet. So to list a few off for you, PDFs and ebooks, online courses and trainings, templates and worksheets, membership sites, digital planners, printables, the list goes on. Hopefully you get the idea. Now, here's why they're the absolute simplest way to make money online. First of all, there is zero inventory. Unlike physical products, you don't need to store anything, package anything or ship anything. I mean, it's literally like selling thin air. But you create your product once and you can sell it infinitely. Second of all, the profit margins are incredible. Almost everything is profit. Now, of course, this entirely depends on how you operate your business, but it's not unheard of to achieve 90% profit margins. I mean, it's unheard of in traditional business. The third thing is that they are completely scalable. So whether you sell one or whether you sell 100,000, your workload stays the same. It's the system that handles everything. And the last thing I'd say is the flexibility is unmatched. You can create a digital product that ranges from $9 to $9,000. It all depends on the value that you can provide and ultimately what your audience needs and wants. I want to be absolutely clear on something though. This requires work in the beginning. You need to build your audience, create your product and set up all of your systems. But once that's done, the income you earn becomes increasingly more passive as time goes on. Now, let's talk about the system that actually makes all of this work. So think of this as the engine that turns your digital product into a consistent income stream. So the system has three main components. First of all, you need traffic. You need people who could be interested in what you have to sell. Now, I don't think you can beat YouTube for this. It's free, it's searchable, and most importantly, it builds trust more than any other platform out there. Second of all, you need a way to capture leads. Now, followers and subscribers are great, but not everyone is going to be ready to buy whatever it is that you have to sell there and then. And that's why you need to offer free, valuable resources to get people onto your email list. Now, third, you need an automated sales system. And this is where the real magic happens. So when someone joins your email list, they will get entered into a completely automated email sequence. That email sequence is designed to build trust, and it will eventually offer a product for sale. So here's what this looks like in practice. So I create a YouTube video that I hope provides genuine value to my target audience. So that's other parents who want to make money online. At various points during the video, I will mention my free resources, like my list of 47 digital product ideas or my niche finder template. Hint, hint, the links are in the description below. Now, when someone downloads one of these freebies, they automatically join my email list, and I use a free tool to do this called System.io. Now, this platform handles everything: email marketing, checkout pages, sales pages, course hosting, you name it, it does it. So then the automated email sequence takes over and gets to work. Its main job is to deliver more value, build trust, and then eventually present a paid product. Now, this entire process runs 24 hours a day, regardless of whether I'm working or spending time with my kids or sleeping. And this very system is the reason that I've been able to generate, on average, about $4,800 each and every week without being glued to a laptop the entire time. Now, let's talk about how to actually create your first digital product, even if you're not tech savvy. So I always recommend starting out simple. So think of an ebook or a guide or a workshop. Now, for an ebook or a guide, you can use AI to help you outline it and flesh the contents out. Once you've actually got the content of your ebook or guide, you can either keep it really simple and just put the contents into a Google Doc and export it as a PDF, and that's your first product. Or you can make it look really nice using Canva, which is really, really beginner friendly. And same as with the Google Doc, when it's done, you just export it as a PDF and it's ready to go. If you want to go down the workshop route, you can simply record videos on your computer using something like Loom, or you can even record the videos using your smartphone. Don't get caught up in having perfect equipment. The quality of your product, the quality of your content matters far more than the quality of any production when you're first starting out. The key is that you're solving a specific problem for a very specific group of people. So for example, instead of creating a how to run workshop, you might create something like a how dads over 40 can run their first marathon in under 4 hours. The more specific your solution, your product is, the easier it is to market and the more valuable it will feel to your target customer. So here's a quick checklist for creating your first digital product. Number one, you need to identify a specific problem that your target customer has. Number two, you're going to create a solution in the simplest format possible. Number three, you're going to test it with a small group if you can. Number four, you're going to package it professionally. So Canva templates are absolutely perfect for this. And number five, you're going to set a price that reflects the value, not the time it's taken you to create the product. Now remember, your first product does not need to be perfect. It just needs to be helpful, and you can always improve it later based on feedback. Okay, so the next step: how to build an audience that actually buys from you. Now listen, having a great product means absolutely nothing if you haven't got anyone to sell to. And this is why building your own audience is critical. Now, here's why you should focus on YouTube over other platforms. First and foremost, it's a search engine. People are coming to YouTube actively looking for solutions to their problems. So when they find your helpful content, they're already in that problem-solving mindset. YouTube builds trust faster than text. When people see your face and hear your voice, they connect with you on a much deeper level. And this trust is essential to make sales. YouTube content also has longevity. So a post on social media might get you traffic for a few days, but YouTube videos can generate you leads literally for years. I know plenty of people that have videos they made 2, 3, 4 years ago that still generate them leads every single day. Now, to grow on YouTube, simply focus on creating content that solves a specific problem for your target customer. You want to use titles that clearly communicate the benefit of your video. You want to use titles that clearly communicate the benefit of watching your videos. So think how I ran my first marathon in 2 hours instead of my running journey. But here's the critical part. Do not try to sell on YouTube directly, whatever you do. Instead, you want to offer something that is free and valuable in exchange for someone's email address. This then moves people from casual viewers to email subscribers that you can nurture over a period of time. So how do we automate all of this so that you can make money while you sleep? So the final piece of the puzzle is automation. Now, this is what transforms your business into a true passive income generating asset. So here's an idea of what you can automate. Email marketing. So I use System.io to send automated sequences to nurture every single person that joins my email list and then strategically offers paid products at certain times. Product delivery. So when someone purchases, they're automatically sent access to the product. There's literally zero manual intervention needed. Customer support. Now, there are some clever ways to use AI for this, but you could also employ a virtual assistant. You can use templates and systems for common questions. It's really up to you what level of service you provide. Content repurposing. Now, this isn't something I'm doing just yet, but I will use AI to turn one YouTube video into multiple pieces of content that I can then automatically distribute across social media. Again, all on autopilot. Now, the key to effective automation is to start simple. You don't try to automate everything at once. Begin with email marketing and product delivery, and then you can gradually add more and more automation as your business grows. So here's what it could look like for you. While you sleep, people around the world are watching your YouTube videos and downloading your freebies. Your email system is automatically nurturing all those leads in the background and ultimately making sales for you. When you wake up, you often find several sales notifications from overnight. You spend your morning with your wife or your kids or both, and then spend a few hours on improving your product, or maybe it's creating a new product or working on some new content. So the system handles everything else. That's marketing, sales, product delivery, and even some of your customer service. This is what true freedom looks like. It's not about never working. It's about choosing when and how you work while your business continues generating income in the background. Now, if you're interested in building your own digital products business, I've created 2 free resources to help you get started. The first is a list of 47 digital product ideas, which can help you brainstorm the perfect product for your knowledge and expertise. And the second is my niche finder tool that uses AI to help you identify what knowledge you already have that you could monetize. Both are completely free. Just click the links in the description down below and you'll get instant access. And if you found this video helpful, please hit the like button and subscribe for more content on creating an online business that gives you both time and money freedom. Remember, the simplest way to make money online isn't about doing nothing. It's about doing the right work up front so you can reap the benefits for years and years and years to come. I'll see you in the next one.